Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Close to My Heart and along with Twisted Sisters. So I am up, there's my information. Make sure that you go check everything down below. It's all listed there. And what I am going to be twisting today or showing you a different way of using it is the Beach Party paper packet and sticker sheet. So while there is a bunch of different kits and stuff, there's a card making kit and a scrapbooking kit. For this collection, I am going to be using just the paper kit and some of the stickers. Now, I got out 2 of the distressed oxides that is in the core catalog. Now remember, our core catalog is going to be done at the end of this month. So if you have not picked up these particular colors, I would suggest to do so. Otherwise, I'm not for sure if they made the cut for the new catalog or not. I didn't quite look, but you guys know what distressed oxides are and where they're at. So the 2 that I am going to use is Peacock Feathers and Mermaid Lagoon. And what I did is that I just sprayed it. I did some gesso before, and I used clear gesso on the white cardstock. The white cardstock is the whispery white cardstock that we have, and that'll be linked down below as well, along with all of the other products. Now, I did want some fishies along the bottom of this, so I did go into my stash and found this stencil that is obviously not part of the shop, or part of the catalog, but I wanted some fish. And, you know, that's the beauty of scrapbooking is that while I have almost used all of the stuff from Close to My Heart, you still can use things from your stash. So I used the Stickles Moon Dust to put down the fishes and all of that fun stuff to get it. So what I'm doing is that I had to do this in 2 parts. My area is like hellacious heat infested, and it just won't go away. I mean, we're sitting in 90 to 100 degree weather pretty consistently here since the middle of June. And unfortunately, it is not allowing my stuff to dry like it normally does. So I had to actually do this in 2 parts. So right now what you're seeing me do is the part that I needed to get done that I could do while my stuff is drying, which is getting my photo backed with the other part of the papers. I didn't use that much on this paper-wise. I wanted the focus to be more of the photo, the stickers, and then my water thing that I made, I guess the underwater. And I added this piece of stickers right here, and I added it to the top of this just to give it a little bit of, you know, pizzazz or something, however you want to look at it. And so I am just going through, and I want to add this paper to it, and realized I needed to cut the one side off, right? Because I always do a border, and I had to pull it up just a little bit because I didn't get the bottom part of this covered. So I did not use the glitter underneath that paper that I put in there. I wanted it to look like they were a bunch of swimming, and my photos and the sand was kind of where it was at, and then kind of into the deep sea of all these fishes of the glitter moon dust. That's kind of what my thought process is, and at the end I think I achieved that pretty well. Now, I do come in, and my title is going to be Welcome to Summertime Paradise. This photo is of the trip that I went to Tybee Island, and it was, I think this is the second to the last photo that I have of our beach day, at least when I was down there. I ended up getting a heat headache. I didn't drink enough that one particular day, so my friend Grace took the kiddos that wanted to go down, and so she took 2 of the kiddos, and one of them stayed back with me, and I just, you know, slept because I knew I needed to drive the next day. So I wanted to make sure that I was well rested and all of that fun stuff. So I am now going through, and I'm painstakingly making you guys watch me try to figure out how I'm going to make this work. Like, this is driving me nutso. And it's not that I don't know what I want, and it's not that I have that much to do, because we do know that Close to My Heart only has, you know, one thing of stickers for me to use, but I just didn't know what to put on there and how I wanted it put on there. So I had to turn the camera off for a hot minute, get stuff figured out, and then come back. And that's what I do. You'll see me kind of stop, and then you realize, oh, Miranda changed some things. And it wasn't that I changed it completely. I just needed it to look right. So I knew that obviously my title was going to stay on that side. I knew that this was going to be a beach day. And I needed to put part of the beach day up on some foam because I wanted it to kind of give some dimension. And then I fixed the top part where the umbrella's at. I got the stuff to look the way I wanted it to. And then I had to add this vehicle, this old-time vehicle, because it fits perfectly. And then I work on getting just little things added to this. I was going to have this one up on some foam tape, and then I change it because it just doesn't fit the way I have things. So I get it fixed and I put it behind that little tan strip that I treated as sand. And then you will see me come in. I am going to place all these little different stars and stuff up on top. And yes, I know that it's not under, it's not like under the stars, but I'm adding them as embellishments because I come in at the end and add my, I add the sequins. And there is the sequins. Now, this particular Bluebell was one of the older collection, or one of the older sequence mixes, and if it is still available, because the last time I looked when I was making this video, it was still available to purchase, but obviously, there's other ones that you can use. So then what I decided to do is I am going to paint glitter on the bottom parts of Beach Day, the flamingo inner tube, and then the edge of the paper that I have there where you can see like the white cap. It's supposed to kind of be like a white cap, and then all these people are, swimming behind and whatever else have you. It's kind of like my theme going here. And so I put a like moon dust glitter thing, I don't know, strip. I'm not sure what you want to call it, but there you go. You see what I'm doing. And then that is pretty much what my layout is going to look. You will see me come in with the sequence mix that I put there. I kind of take just certain pieces or certain colors from this sequence mix because I wanted to achieve a little bit of a different style within that sea. And then I do, obviously, at the end, do my border like I always do. And I'll make sure that I link everybody down below. The playlist will be linked down below along with all of the products that I am using. If there is anything that is still available in the shop, which I know almost all of this is, the only one I'm worried about at this moment is the sequence mix, because the minute that I put it on there, sometimes it just disappears because, the product is sold out. But make sure that you go check out everybody else that does Twisted Sisters. I know that a lot of them like to do cards and whatnot, so make sure you go check out everybody's. Hop along. Make sure that you like and subscribe to everybody. Obviously, we enjoy having you guys as subscribers, and it just helps out our channel just that much more if you like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure that you do go check out everybody. Make sure that you check out everything down below. You will see me come in and I will be doing my, I do splatters. That's what I do. And then you'll see me come in with my trusty black pen to do my border. And then that is it. The still shots are coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Make sure that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.